Hi, my name is Josh Lockheed, Training Evangelist here at QuoteWerks. Today I'm going to review the process of upgrading QuoteWerks in a single PC installation. Upgrading to the latest version is beneficial as you'll be able to leverage new features and take advantage of improvements that are consistently being developed. If you have QuoteWerks installed on a network workstation, the process will be the same, except you'll have to rerun the node installation on each machine connecting to the workstation after the upgrade is complete. In order to be able to upgrade QuoteWerks, you need to ensure you have admin rights to the machine you are upgrading and a valid Update Maintenance Program or UMP subscription. If you do not have UMP and would like to be able to upgrade, simply reach out to the QuoteWerks sales team and they will explain the process of securing a UMP subscription. The first step in the process of upgrading is to obtain the download file from the QuoteWerks website. This file can be found by clicking on the Support drop-down menu and selecting Updates. This opens to QuoteWerks Update Center. Under the heading Download Update for QuoteWerks Desktop, you will see the latest release listed along with the release date, a link to a full list of features, and a link to download the executable file. If you want to view previous releases, simply click on Show All Updates. To download the upgrade file, simply click on the download icon. The download will begin, and as it processes, let's take a quick look at the features list. As you can see, we are on version 25, build 1.25, and it contains 41 new features, 46 fixes, and 3 miscellaneous features. There's quite a bit of effort put into ensuring that each release contains items that make existing features easier to use and new capabilities that extend QuoteWerks functionality. Now that our QW setup executable is downloaded, we can open the file and select Run. You'll then have to click Yes to allow QuoteWerks to make the needed changes on your computer to complete the upgrade. The main installation page will open and you will be prompted with some information. It is recommended that when you run this upgrade that you do not have any programs running. When you are ready, hit Next to begin the process. You will then click Next one more time to install the database engine files. You will then be prompted to accept the licensing agreement. Select I accept the agreement and click Next. Selecting I do not accept the agreement will cancel the upgrade process. Because we are upgrading an existing installation of QuoteWerks, we will select Update/Upgrade Existing Installation of QuoteWerks and click Next. The following step is an important one. This is where you select a folder in which your QuoteWerks installation is stored. You can do this by clicking Browse, selecting the root of the folder of your QuoteWerks installation, and clicking OK. Click Next and you are prompted to select whether or not you would like to install samples. These include print layouts, reports, cover pages, and more. I generally like to include samples as they are often used to build customized ones, but you have the option to make your selection here. Clicking Next brings us to the page to enter our update key. Because this is an upgrade, this key will be brought over from your existing install. When you click Next, the installation is prepared, and when you hit Next one more time, the installation process will run. The next screen will provide you with a link to the revision notes, which is the features list we just reviewed earlier. Click Next, then continue to move on to the node installation. We are brought to the welcome screen and will click Next to begin the node installation. We are given the option to select optional components to install, which are the different CRM and PSA integrations QuoteWerks has. Make sure that any of the systems you have integrated with QuoteWerks are selected and click Next. As a note, this node installation is what you would need to run on each machine after running the setup on your networked workstation if you're deployed in a networked environment. When the node installation completes, a window will open notifying you that the installation was successful. Click Finish and then OK. This will briefly open QuoteWerks, but a window will open noting that you need to manually restart QuoteWerks. Click OK to clear this window. Now, if you navigate to your QuoteWerks application folder and click on the QW application, QuoteWerks will open. On the login screen, you will notice that the version and build number have been updated to reflect the newly installed upgrade. As you can see, the process of upgrading your QuoteWerks version and build are relatively simple. All you need to do is download the executable, run it, make a few selections, and you're upgraded in no time. If you have any questions or would like to learn more, feel free to review our help files or contact our team at 407-248-1481.